So we're going to be draining the transmission on this. We're going to do a fluid exchange. If you look at the, this is the bottom of the car, look at the very back of the transmission, there's going to be a plug on there. I basically just use a 3/8 extension on there, nothing fancy. Just make sure that it's secure on there because you don't want to strip that. It's going to be a little tight. Remove it, and then I like to capture it on the bucket, something that will tell me how much fluid I'm going to be putting back. This one does have a dipstick, so it's an easy one. So basically I just wait for it to drip around this much, and then I just put the plug back in. Kind of take note on the amount of threads that you saw in the beginning. That's where you want to secure it to. Yeah, because once you secure it and tighten it, like, you don't know how much because it feels it's still kind of loose, but I just kind of secure it to the point where I know there was a couple of threads on there where I can still see it, and that's where I'm going to stop. So when I drained the fluid, I captured about 3/4, so that's what I'm going to put to start off, 3/4. And to fill it up, we're going to fill it up from where the transmission dipstick is, and that's where we're going to fill it up. Put a little funnel on there. Put 3/4 in there. So after topping off with 3/4, we're going to put the dipstick in and we're going to measure it before starting it, just to make sure that we have proper fluid before starting the car. It's not going to be exact where it should be. We just want to see some fluid in there. Yeah, it's close to it. So we're going to go ahead and start it, and we're going to let the car warm up, and once the car is fully warmed up, we're going to be checking the fluid level, making sure, and when you do check fluid level, make sure that you're at a flat surface. So the vehicle is nice and warm now. It's hard to see, but it is a little low right there. So we're going to fill it up to the point where we're not going to cross over the crosshatch, basically, right at that level. So we're going to put another 1/2 quart, and we'll recheck the level. Okay. So I ended up putting shy under 4 quarts. So just to show you where the level should be at once the car is fully warmed up, topped off, should be right there underneath this ball. And that's how you perform a transmission fluid exchange or drainage.